Packaging. We all have things to work on, especially with small businesses. In the beginning, you'll see basic local packaging, and on the second part, you will see packaging that you can use to ship worldwide. And again, I'm still waiting on a lot of things, and I still have things to work on, but I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, I have made a YouTube channel. All information will be below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this voiceover. Have a great day.